I'm here at Guzman y Gomez, otherwise known as GYG. Now, what is GYG all about? Well, they're a quick service Mexican restaurant. It's all about authentic, fresh, quality food served to you quickly. GYG was established in 2006 in New South Wales and has grown now to have over 120 stores internationally. There are over 100 stores located in Australia, and then there's stores in Singapore and Japan. GYG is a growing business thanks to quality food and quality service. Now, with such a fast growing business, you can expect that those tills are really ringing. They can process up to 450 orders an hour and even up to 700 when they have their special offers such as free burrito days. Now, the team at GYG really embrace technology, so let's jump behind the counter and take a look at their POS solution. Here at GYG, there's a host of AURES supplied POS equipment behind the counter, starting with the AURES YUNO integrated touch terminal. Now, it's an all-in-one unit, touch interface, mag stripe reader, stylish, slimline and compact footprint. That's what you get in the AURES YUNO. Now we move across, they are using a barcode scanner. It's a Honeywell scanner that they've got sitting there, just a handheld scanner. Now over here we have an AURES ODP 333 receipt printer. That's the receipt printer with the front exit receipt, which is perfect in hospitality environments because you can't drop any food or spill any drinks through into the receipt printer thanks to that front exit. Now we go down underneath the counter, we have the cash drawer, which is very, very vital. I really love how GYG are using customer displays. Now they're the AURES supplied customer display that works with the YUNO terminal. Now how are they using them? Well, wide range of things, not only marketing purposes to promote any special offers, etc., but also to keep the customer informed as to their value of their order and what they've ordered. So dual purpose there. And I'll tell you what, they look really cool as well. Tacos or burritos? I can't make up my mind. Why is GYG working with AURES? Well, the answer is quite simple. GYG is a Micros POS software user. Now, when it comes to the Micros solution, finding hardware that can run the software can be quite tricky, but AURES has cracked the code, meaning you can run your Micros solution on the AURES YUNO. So that was a big plus for GYG. Furthermore, they love the style, they love the compact nature of it, and it simply just works. I really love the decor here at GYG. It gives you that really authentic South American feel. And I'll tell you what, I reckon it makes the food taste even better. A big thank you to GYG for choosing to work with AURES hardware. Now you can find out more about Guzman y Gomez. Visit them online at guzmanyGomez.com.